Thanks so much for checking out this month's newsletter and tuning in for this month's market update. I hope this newsletter was useful for you. Let's talk about some of these numbers. As you can see, big decreases on most property types. Very interesting. Now, I alluded a little bit to this in the last newsletter, saying how days on market were going up, listings were going up, and we were expecting something like this, but it's here now. And what we're seeing is that generally in the semi and towns and condo towns, more our starter homes, we're seeing a big pullback in pricing. And it's simply just a case of a couple different factors. The Bank of Canada is aggressively raising rates, which is affecting people's affordability directly and both indirectly, because the market concern is that, hey, we're going to have less money to spend in the future. We got to pull back our affordability, but also pre-qualifications are going to come down as rates go up. The average person is getting a fixed rate of over 4%, just over 4%, and variables are now a little bit over 2%. So it's going to have some factor as far as people's affordability. Also, it's happening at a time when there's just historically more inventory. And we actually have quite a bit of inventory on the market right now. We're back to kind of normal levels, despite what's been happening the last couple of years. We're back to normal for that. So it's a case where we've got more supply, a little bit of a demand pullback. So we're seeing prices readjust back to what they were selling for, at least what houses were selling for before the big increase in prices in February and early March. So certainly for those people that are thinking, hey, this is a big crash, it's not really a crash. It's just simply a readjustment back to more realistic pricing for a lot of homes. And also, I think it's going to continue for the next couple of months. So looking at some of the trends, though, in the back end, we're seeing that now with this new data coming up, some people are deciding not to put their home on the market. So we're seeing some listings coming off, not being relisted, or fewer listings are coming on the market now. So while there's been a reduction now going forward in listings coming on the market, there is a larger reduction in showings and offers. So what we'll see is that the bottom is not yet on this market, at least in my opinion, but it is going to be coming very soon. I would suspect in the next couple of weeks, we're going to see things finally level out. I don't see further big drops in prices. I think the big drop has been priced in already. And I think we'll see stability in the market for the next couple months. So if you're looking to sell your home, this is important information to consider. However, this is just very general information. And if you are thinking about making a sale in the next quarter, definitely give me a call so I can give you very, very in-depth data for your specific home versus just general data. But I hope this is helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video next month. Have a great May and stay dry this spring.